Hey everybody, my name is Jessica Shaneyfelt and I am the Center Manager for the Parkway Senior Center. And I'm here today at Connie Hudson and I have brought along a friend, Miss Cynthia Slover, who is an intern with us for the fall, and she is a student at the University of South Alabama and is getting her bachelor's in recreational therapy. So we are really excited to have her. But today, it is September, and one of the fruits that are in season right now are apples. So we are going to demonstrate how to make baked apple slices. So I hope y'all enjoy.
Don't sit under the apple tree with anyone else but me. Anyone else but me. Anyone else but me. No, no, no. Don't sit under the apple tree with anyone else but me. Till I come marching home.
So the first step in making these baked apple slices is to peel and cut your apples. So you're going to want to cut your apples in long slices and make them about a 1/4 inch thick.
Okay, so after you have peeled and sliced your apples, you want to slice them about 1/4 inch thick. But after you've done that, you are going to get a mixing bowl and mix several ingredients together. So I'm going to let Cynthia start doing it. So you're going to mix a 1/4 cup of white sugar, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and then a teaspoon of cinnamon, and then a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then you're going to mix it all up. You can also do this if you have a gallon freezer bag. You can put all these ingredients in there and then put your apples in there and shake it up. It might be a little bit easier, but we're just doing this to show y'all how we do it. So once that's all mixed up, you're going to put it in either a Tupperware bowl that you can cover or your gallon freezer bag, and you're going to place your apple slices in there. And then you are going to want to shake. Shake it until your apple slices are very thoroughly covered in this fabulous sweet mix.
Once your apples are coated, you're going to want to grease your baking dish. You can use an 8x8 casserole dish or a 9-inch round dish, but you're going to layer your apple slices in the baking dish, one slightly on top of the other, until you completely fill your dish. Next, you're going to want to put little pats of butter across your apples, and then you're going to stick it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes at 350 degrees or until your apples are tender.
All right, so this is Mr. Carl Lewis, and he is going to give us an unbiased opinion about these baked apple slices.
Are they different?
And tell us what you think.
That's good.
It's good, right? All right, and here we have Miss Carmel, so we're going to give her a taste of our baked apples.
They look delicious. Ooh, those are good. Those are really good.
Awesome. All right, this is Miss Cassandra. Let's let her have a slice of our delicious baked apple slices.
Wow, they are good. They are.
What are you doing?
Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry. Well, y'all join us next week as we bring another recipe to y'all. I'm gonna go eat my apple slices.